Ever felt stuck with a problem that seems unsolvable? Real-life challenges often require a mix of skills to tackle effectively. Let's explore how you can unlock your problem-solving potential and grow your confidence. Module 1. Understanding real-life problems. Not every challenge is a real problem. A problem is anything that prevents you from achieving a goal or creates a decision that must be made. Real-life problems often involve personal choices, money, career decisions, or relationships. Understanding the problem clearly is the first step in solving it effectively. Reflection point. Think about a recent situation that stressed you. Was it a true problem needing a solution, or just something uncomfortable? How does recognizing this difference change your approach? Do this exercise. Make a list of 3 personal, financial, or work challenges you're facing. For each, write down 1. The real problem. 2. What part of it you can control. 3. What part you can influence. This helps focus your energy on what truly matters. Module 2. Decision-making frameworks. Good decisions often follow a clear framework. Define the problem, list options, evaluate pros and cons, make a choice, and plan next steps. Using a framework prevents impulsive decisions and gives confidence when facing difficult choices. Reflection point. Think about a decision you made recently that didn't work out. Could a structured framework have improved your choice? How? Do this exercise. Take one current problem and use the following framework. 1. Define the problem clearly. 2. List at least 3 possible solutions. 3. Evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of each. 4. Choose a solution. 5. Plan your first step to implement it. Share your plan with a peer or mentor for feedback. Module 3. Critical and analytical thinking. Critical thinking means asking questions, looking for evidence, and avoiding assumptions. Analytical thinking involves breaking problems into smaller parts and understanding how each part affects the whole. Together, these skills help solve problems without being influenced by fear, bias, or guesswork. Reflection point. Think of a time when assumptions led you to the wrong decision. What could you have asked or analyzed differently? Exercise. Choose a scenario from work, finances, or personal life. Write down 3 assumptions you might be making. Challenge each one with questions or evidence. Then describe how this new thinking changes your approach. Module 4. Solving personal, financial, and career problems. Life problems often fall into personal, financial, or career areas. Solutions require realistic thinking and planning. For example, financial problems can be approached by budgeting, saving, or adjusting spending habits. Career challenges can be approached by skill building, networking, or exploring new options. Reflection point. Which area of your life, personal, financial, or career, currently needs the most problem-solving focus? How would solving it improve your life? Exercise. Choose a real-life problem from one area. Break it down into smaller steps, brainstorm at least 3 potential solutions, and pick the one that is most practical. Outline your first action and a backup plan if it doesn't go as expected. Module 5. Adapting to uncertainty. Life is full of uncertainty, job changes, unexpected expenses, or personal challenges. Adapting means staying flexible, analyzing options quickly, and keeping a calm, logical mindset. Preparing mentally for uncertainty makes problem-solving faster and less stressful. Reflection point. Think of a time when something unexpected happened. How did you react? What could you do differently next time to stay calm and act effectively? Do this exercise. Imagine a scenario with sudden change, like losing a job or a delayed project. Write down at least 3 actions you could take immediately, 3 actions for the next week, and 1 long-term plan. Discuss with a peer how each action helps you adapt. Module 6. Learning from failure. Failures provide valuable information about what works and what doesn't. Reflecting on mistakes prevents repeating them and builds resilience. The key is analyzing what went wrong, adjusting strategies, and moving forward without self-blame. Reflection point. Think of a recent failure. What did it teach you? How can that lesson improve your next attempt? Exercise. Write a short reflection about a failure, identifying 3 lessons learned. For each lesson, plan a specific action you can take to apply it in a similar situation. Share with a mentor or group for accountability. Module 7, Applying All Skills, Solving Real-Life Problems with Confidence. Now, use everything you've learned. Identify problems clearly, use decision-making frameworks, think critically, adapt to uncertainty, and learn from mistakes. Real-life problems often need multiple skills at once, and practice builds confidence. Reflection point. Think of a current real-life problem. How can each skill you've learned help you address it logically and confidently? Now, do this scenario planning exercise. 1. An unexpected medical bills appear while on a tight budget. 2. A career opportunity conflicts with personal commitments. 3. A business project faces a sudden deadline change. Break down the problem, list possible solutions, evaluate risks and benefits, choose a solution, plan next steps, and include a backup plan. Present your solution and reasoning to a peer or group. Congratulations! You may now proceed to purchase your certificate of completion. Keep practicing. Keep solving problems and helping others solve their problems in your everyday activities. Bye for now.